Hi everyone, I'm Crystal. Welcome back to my channel. I have some Planty mail. I just wanted to open it up with you guys and show you what I've got. This is ordered from a person off of Facebook. And there really should just be 2 plants in here, so the video will go nice and extra quick. Let's get this open. Okay, so we have some packaging here. There's a lot of dirt in here. Okay, this is the way that the package came. It's wrapped in plastic, bare root, no moss or anything. It's just bare root, which is fine because it is a beautiful Raven ZZ. So excited about this. Della is my sister. We went in on this together and we're gonna split it up. This is where all the dirt's coming from. But that's okay, no biggie. It can be cleaned up. Wow, okay, so there are one, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 bulbs in here. She told me there were 5, but there's 4, and that's fine. Oh, one of these is broken. Darn it. One's broken, so I'm just gonna take that off and let it dry over, and then stick it in some water and let it grow some roots. Okay. All right, so the other plant that's in here is a variegated Shafflera. And this is wrapped in tissue paper. With a paper towel on top, apparently trying to keep the dirt in, but there's dirt all over the box, so that didn't work out very well. But there we are. Here's the cute little variegated Shafflera. And I like her. All right, so this is just a regular person that I ordered from, so I don't necessarily want to put her on blast or give you guys all her name and then her getting a bunch of messages from strangers. But I am a part of the rare plant group for $100 and less. So if you'd like to join that group, there are a lot of people that do sell plants on there, okay? All right, everyone, thanks so much for watching. I am expecting another package this weekend, and Della will be here, so maybe I can talk her into opening it up with me. That would be fun. See you guys later.